This device is so cool. It's called a Stirling engine, and I posted on it a couple months ago, and that post went viral. But I really botched the explanation, so I want to do it again because unlike politicians, people in the field of science like to get it right. In order for this engine to run, all we need is a temperature differential between the top and the bottom plate, and we can get that with a simple cup of hot water. We give it a second to warm up, and we give it a little spin. And this engine will now run for about a half hour just on the power of a cup of hot water. So what's happening here? There's two main parts to this engine. There's a piston right here, and there's a piece of foam inside called a displacer that moves up and down. So what happens when the foam is near the top and this chamber is mostly near the water, the air inside the chamber gets hot. And that hot air has more pressure and it forces the piston to move up. As the piston moves up, the displacer moves down. And now the heated air is free to lose its heat toward the top plate. And when that happens, the air inside cools and the atmospheric pressure can push back down on the piston. And that cycle continues. And this engine will run for about a half hour using nothing but the energy of a cup of hot water. Man, I love science.